Hi guys, this is Ewave from FXVista.com here to give you a quick update on the euro and cable. So let's start with the euro. We can see euro started from last week, started rallying from around the 2150 area. Now we can see this five-wave rally down finished around the 2150 area, and we're actually going for a correction here. And if we look over the overall picture, we've got this five-wave rally down, this bear rally. Okay, ideally we want to see a full correction of this rally all the way up to possibly this 50%, where it's got a strong resistance zone around the 2700 area. Above that, around the 2900 area is the ideal place that we want to see a correction to. The other possibility here is that we could see an extension of these five waves, or a fifth wave extension, in which case around this zone, around the 2600 area zone, would be an ideal place to go short again if there is an extension. But the confirmation will come above this 2700 area. Once it breaks above this zone, it's going to confirm an overall correction or an extension. Now if we go drop down the time frame, we can have a look at it more closely. You can see this five-wave rally up that we've had over the last 3 days. Okay, now ideally this is going to be an ABC correction. That is what we're looking for. So what we want to see is an ABC correction back down before a rally back up, unless this is a one of a five-wave correction all the way up. Regardless, we want to see an ABC correction back down before we buy again. If we move on to cable, if we look at cable, we've had this massive bear rally, the five-wave rally down, and we've been in a correction since around the 6th of May, and we can see this A wave finish, this B wave finish here, right? We're actually in a C wave. Now if we draw some Fibonacci resistance zones, we can see the 50% held once and twice now. On the C wave, we can see this is a clear ABCA, ABCB, and a C wave. We had a five-wave rally up here, three-wave down, and this was a 1 and a 2. This could possibly be a 3 or a 1 of 3. So we could possibly get an extension, and we could be reaching around the 78% area, or testing the 61%. If we draw some price resistance zone, we can see this was a heavy resistance zone around here. If we go a little bit back, we can still see it was around the lows, back around the lows of 2011, June 2011, about a year ago. And we've got another price support zone, very heavy price support zone around the 61 area. So these two are our ideal places where we want to see cable go before it continues on this bear rally. So I hope you enjoyed this update. Please visit our Facebook page on Facebook. Link is below, and follow us on Twitter. That's at FXVista.com. Thanks guys, happy trading, and I will see you tomorrow hopefully. Bye.